In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice using the voice changer in ElevenLabs. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and sign in into your ElevenLabs website. And the website is this, elevenlabs.io. And once you get to this, you can start your project. Now, the good thing is ElevenLabs offers a free plan that gives you an option to create projects of up to 10 minutes per month for free. So ElevenLabs is one of the greatest tools out there that you can use to convert your text to speech. So I have a video file that I want to get a stronger voice. And to achieve this, I can do it freely using ElevenLabs. And what you need to do is to go to ElevenLabs and then create a free account, and it will be good to get started. Now we're going to use this function called Voice Changer. Click on it and then drop your file here to change it. I want to change this audio file, and you can listen into the audio file.
In a quiet meadow beneath the vast blue sky, a young boy's gaze is drawn upward. His breath catches as a massive spaceship breaks through the clouds, descending slowly, its shadow swallowing the valley.
That is the original voice that I have, and I want to change it into a voice that is much authoritative or much louder. So to do this, I'll go and select settings here and then come to voices. So I'll choose a voice from the above. We have several voices here, and I'm comfortable with, let me try this.
The thing always happens that you really...
I want it to be authoritative as this. So what I'll do, I'll select Brian. And then the stability, I can increase it to 58, and the others, I'll leave it alone. So once done, I'll go ahead and hit on generate. And here we go.
In a quiet meadow beneath the vast blue sky, a young boy's gaze is drawn upward. His breath catches as a massive spaceship breaks through the clouds, descending slowly, its shadow swallowing the valley. Alone once more, he stands beneath the endless sky, wonder and relief.
Great. Now that is our converted creation that we have just created. You can now download it using the download button, which is this. So that's how we can change our voice using ElevenLabs.